Houston personal injury attorney. When you are loved or suffer injuries due to neglect or reckless behavior of another, the results are often overwhelming beyond her physically recovery. Accidents create numerous personal and financial issues. Ekela Farm help an individual and their families receive financial compensation for a personal injury and continue forward with their lives. At AK Law Firm, our personal injury attorney represent victims and their families throughout Houston. We believe in a client-focused approach to law and take a pride in our commitment to each client as an individual. When you choose our personal injury law firm in Houston, you agree to represent by a dedicated, open communicate who believe in transparency with client, honest and upfront assessor for a claim and claim values, focused attorney who won practically personal injury law, aggressive negotiation prepared to take your cases to trial if needed. Schedule a free consult now. You should never pay for an accident causes by someone else's neglect or reckless behavior. Call a law firm to speak with one of your husband personal injury lawyer. We can explore your legal right to recover financial compensation for your injury in Texas. What can a personal injury attorney do for me? A skilled Houston personal injury attorney help you recover physically, personally, and emotionally for a severe accident. At AK Law Firm, we take your claim seriously, beginning with a full investigation of your accident. Next, our Houston personal injury lawyer carefully document the fact of your cases and explain the full extent of your injury. We can also assist in getting your and specialized medical care you may need it. Companies try to settle claims quickly and for as little as possible. The attorney at AK Law Firm will approach fair, just compensate for your personal injury claim after taking into account both your current and the future expenses. Our Houston personal injury attorney will keep your